Oh yeah, it's time to get into the technical stuff. So welcome back guys, and finally we are done with the single track riding for the Irene video series, if you want to call it that. So this is the lead-in of the first little technical climb. So this, well, all the technical climbs are going to be short videos. So this little hill where we do our technical training, it's not very long climbs, but they are fairly technical, and unfortunately you'll see in the video the camera does not do the climbs justice. Some of the guys that have ridden with us over here could attest to it. They are a fair bit steeper than what they actually seem. So over here I quickly first stop to take a break, just catch a breather, and get ready for the climb. And we are off again. As I pull off, I get pretty good momentum, but midway through with the grass, I didn't see the rock there, and it kind of threw off my momentum. So I decided to just back up a little bit and line myself up again, just to hit the climb properly.
Go back down again.
Now over here is the tricky bit, because you're gonna have to pivot turn. I still have to practice pivoting, just getting into the pivot as I'm climbing up the hill. But anyways, I stopped and did the pivot. And I'm too low in the rev range, so I keep stalling the bike.
Shooting range. So now we're gonna go back down that hill.
And as I said, with this little climb we go up it and then we flip around and we go back down it to get down to the next climb. Once again, well, you get a little bit of a better angle over here, but the camera still doesn't do it justice. It is pretty steep over there.
Yeah.
Hitting the descent with no issues. Alright, and that's it. Just a quick little climb. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below if you want to. Peace out.